This is John from Signaworks. We're here today to talk about the ASTL Andon tower light that we assemble right here in Powell, Ohio. You can find out more about this product on Signaworks.com or our web store, signalsonline.com. The Signaworks ASTL Andon tower light is a plug-and-play solution, ready to mount out of the box with just 2 bolts, plug in, power cord, and you're ready to go. It's made with super bright LEDs with 24 LEDs per light section on the red and yellow, and 18 larger LEDs on the green, blue, and white section. It has a rugged through-bolt design for extra rigidity in an industrial or commercial environment. It includes a 12-inch pole, a heavy-duty 8-gauge right-angle bracket, sealed enclosure, industrial selector switches, and an 8-foot 3-prong power cord. The Andon Light is really a lean manufacturing communication tool used to give a signal for certain conditions or alert people to respond without the operator leaving the area. You can see the standard colored sequences right here with the 1 through 5 light. The standard light can be purchased with 2 position switches for off and steady on operation, as well as 3 position for on, off, and slashing operation. Signaworks has been the industry leader since inventing this style of industrial Andon light, with the tower light on top, the pole, and the industrial switches on the bottom in 1997 when we designed it for a Missouri customer looking for a plug-and-play solution. Many have copied the design, but understand not all Andon lights are the same. Beware of cheap Chinese copies who use 2-prong power adapters with thin cables that are not industrial rated and do not meet OSHA standards for 3-prong cords. Our lights are longer, brighter, have a through-bolt design that's stronger and sturdier. We use an 8-gauge mounting brackets versus thin stamped steel. All of these things make a big difference. The Signaworks light will last longer and is worth the little extra you pay for American ingenuity and workmanship. Each color can designate a different condition, such as call for parts, engineering, quality check, machine down, restroom break, or whatever you're trying to signal. We are Signaworks, located in Powell, Ohio. Look for our other Signaworks Andon lights with extended cable or longer pole to elevate the light for higher visibility. We offer a broad range of industrial signal products, from tower lights, traffic lights, to Audible Alarms. These can all be found at Signaworks.com or our web store at signalsonline.com. As we have been since 1995, we're here for any technical or customer service questions you may have. Thanks.